whom you love more, that your dad or mom?
I love both of them, but I love my dad more
Okay.
because he gives me money whenever asked.
Okay, tell me about yourself first.
My name is Kishore Gouda and I live with my parents and I have one sibling. She is an elder sister.
Okay. What she
Um,
is doing?
My sister works in, she was working in DHL at the airport.
Okay.
Now she resigned and she's searching for another job in the airport itself.
Okay.
Yeah, my dad is a real estate agent and my mom is a homemaker. And even my grandmother lives with us.
Okay. Grandmother in where? Paternal or maternal grandmother?
Paternal.
Paternal grandmother. Okay. So how that actually your relation with your dad?
My dad is like the only one who like, what do you call, he was the main support from my childhood.
Okay.
He taught me how to behave in front of others. Yeah, he taught me basic manners, how to behave in front of elders.
Okay.
And what not to do, to
So
stay
you
on the
love,
stage.
You loves your dad, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Okay. In your life, if you're thinking about that, you supposed to do something of your parents, then what would be?
So my only thing is to make my parents happy until the end.
Okay.
And I wanna make them live a easier life with me whenever I get a job.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
Still, you're thinking it's a job, or that you are going to do some business in future?
So first thing is I plan to achieve a career in VFX and animation.
Okay.
So after working I should work for minimum years, then I can start my own design studios and other stuff.
Okay. So animations you are liking most, right? So could you tell me about that, something about your animation career, when you started, why you started this all?
So I started animation when I was in 10th.
Okay.
So everyone knows in 2019 COVID-19 started.
Yeah.
So I got my first laptop when I was in 10th for the online classes.
Correct.
And I was getting bored in online classes and stuff. So I installed many games and other things.
Okay.
And I was interested how they make these games and stuff. So
Okay.
I installed all the editing apps.
Okay.
And I tried making my own edits and games.
Okay.
So
games, you actually editing is okay, that's fine, but that making of games and all the things,
not
lots of
games,
coding and all the things are required, right?
no, I design characters, I don't make the games.
Okay.
So last year I started designing characters inside games.
Okay.
And I've done 2-3 projects successfully.
Okay. So you found that it is workable, or that it is good enough, or that you need to work on that field little more?
Yeah, the main thing needed in all the animation is creativity.
Okay.
And I should practice more on how I interpret my ideas.
Correct. So that ideas, that means of any character or any characters you are going to make, that you should think about behavior, all that.
The behavior, what size the body is and other
Yes,
stuff.
correct. Okay. Could you reveal anything about your past life, because of already you are in that age that many are the experiences, many are the bad things also you have done, many are the good things also you have done. So any incident that you can reveal with us?
My childhood has been pretty decent, no serious stuff.
Okay.
But when I was in 7th standard, it was my birthday in 2017, October 22nd. So I took out, I started riding scooty when I was in 6th standard.
Okay.
So in 7th grade on my birthday, I took the scooty and I was just roaming around in the area.
Okay.
And I wanted to show off in front of my classmates. So I tried doing some stunts in the bike and I injured myself on my birthday. And I lied to my parents about it, that someone came and crashed into me.
Okay.
Yeah, that's.
Okay. Could you reveal about your any relationship or anything like that? Because I already told you that that your age is like that. That definitely it's like affection. Something will be happen to your life. So could you reveal that about?
So I haven't had any relationship from the past years.
Okay.
And it's not the age to have a relationship and stuff.
Okay.
But
what are you talking about? You're already 18, right?
yeah, but still it's not like a problem.
If you're thinking about that is your bad, actually this is the right time to be in a relationship. That's fine. Okay, tell.
Yeah, I like a person.
Okay. So it's coming.
like that person is not like close to me, like in the sense, yeah, we're close like from 2 years, like as general friends, and I haven't been able to express my
Okay.
feelings and stuff.
Okay, I understood. Any incident happened that where you thought that I should reveal like manner? No?
Yeah, I tried many times, but I
Okay.
I failed at the last moment, so I
Okay.
stopped
Now,
trying.
what are the nonsense you have done that for revealing all the things? I know that if you tried something on that, definitely you have done many nonsense things.
I've done so many stupid things from 2 years, and I don't want to talk about it.
Okay. One or two incidents you can tell about that, no?
Sir, nothing. Sir. I'll keep it personal.
If you told, then only that person can find out that he is telling about my. Tell faster.
Sir, I tried telling indirectly through like chats and stuff, but the other person couldn't analyze it, so I stopped.
So you start just simply that different in chat only the different words you have used to reveal that things. And the person is ignoring, or the person
Not ignoring, the person thought it was a joke and stuff, so I stopped it.
Tell about that any incident happened to your life and really it's shaken you.
So it happened in 2019. It was summer holidays, and one of my close friends, had passed away due to an accident. He was my friend since like 3rd grade until 9th grade.
Okay.
So like one night I was just watching TV, and news came that a boy touched the cable wire and was fully burnt with that.
So before you didn't find that
I got to know by TV. So I was watching TV with my parents during night, and they showed his pic, and I got shocked. I tried contacting his parents, but they didn't pick up for like at least 1 week. And then he was in hospital like for 2-3 days. So after that he passed away, and I went to the funeral, and I was pretty devastated to see his body. Like I couldn't even recognize him. So it was pretty sad day for me, a sad year probably, because he was like close to everyone in the school, and he passed away suddenly. He was like the main guy in the class, but he passed away in an accident.